Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look at the New Zealand versus US dollar. Today's day is February 28, 2024. Let's get started. Looking at the 4-hour chart in this currency pair, we've seen lots of selling and trading here today. Why? Well, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand kept rates unchanged at 5.5%. There were some economists, analysts who had projected a hike, and some analysts and economists have projected 2 hikes going forward for this currency or for this country, but that was not meant to be. In fact, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand Governor Orr was a little bit more dovish in his comments. Also, the summary from the Reserve Bank of New Zealand after the interest rate decision was also a little bit more dovish, lowering projections for rates, the OCR rate for the end of 2024 and 2025, for instance, and projecting that inflation would come back into control, and that the current policy is restrictive, and that should lead to lower growth and lower inflation down the road. So all of that helped to reverse this pair firmly to the downside. And what we saw tactically was the price break below the 100 and 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, and more recently in the North American session, break below the 100-day moving average. We are now in between the 200-day moving average and the 100-day moving average. The 200-day moving average comes in at 0.6075. The 100-day moving average comes in at 0.60917. Stay below the 100-day moving average and get below the 200-day moving average opens the door for further selling momentum, with the low from 2024, early February, down at 0.6037 as the next key target for traders on a break of the 200-day moving average. But right now, we are in between those moving averages, and we could still see some consolidation with a bearish bias for this pair. Again, stay below the 100-day moving average, keeps the sellers in firm control. If we do fail on the break of the 100-day moving average, we could see some disappointment and some short covering. If we do a short cover, I would expect that the 100 and 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart would certainly look to be a ceiling for that pair. So be aware and be prepared. But sellers are in control. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.